So there's a funny, interesting question that I've seen for so many years now, and that question is, should you actually keep your phone box or should you actually go ahead and get rid of it? Now, this is a very interesting kind of story because personally for me, I would 100% recommend, telling you to keep your phone box. But I do think nowadays, I think that there's been a lot of changes. I don't necessarily think you have to go and keep your phone box if you really don't want to, but I would probably tell the average person it's probably better off for you to keep a box from your phone rather than, ditching it or, getting rid of it or just, forgetting about it. And the reason for that is because of resale prices of your iPhone. I will tell you, the condition of your iPhone is great, and that's probably going to determine the most amount of money that you're going to get from your iPhone. But keeping your box from the device that you have is a very, very smart thing to do. The reason for this is because when people are buying used iPhones or used Androids or used whatever products, there's a pretty big, not a massive difference, but there's actually a significant kind of difference between products that basically have some sort of, boxes with them and products that basically have their particular, iPhones without the boxes. Now, I've seen this for so many years, and you're almost always better off actually selling your specific phone that you have with a box with it rather than going through and getting rid of it. I've seen this for so many years now, and, personally for me, I've bought lots of products, and usually the ones that, are a little bit more expensive in the used market are the products that do have boxes with them. Now, that is one part of it. If you don't plan on reselling your iPhone or your Android, then it doesn't really matter. And on top of that, if you plan on trading in your specific phone to your, cell provider, that also shouldn't really matter too much either, whether you keep the box or not. Usually they just want the box itself and maybe a charger. Other than that, usually they just want the phone itself and maybe a charger. Other than that, they really don't care if your particular phone has, a charger with it or has a box with it or whatever. They really just want the phone itself, and that's usually what they really require. So that's kind of a big thing to keep in mind, because personally for me, I would usually say keep the box, but if you plan on reselling it, to your cell phone carrier or trading it into your cell phone carrier, then it really doesn't matter. You might as well just keep your specific, iPhone. You can ditch the box if you want to. It doesn't really matter at that point, and then kind of move on with your life. The other interesting thing though is that if you do plan on, keeping your accessories within your specific box, you might as well just keep the box. There's a lot of different accessories that some of our phones can come with, and sometimes there's some pamphlets and some documents that may end up, giving you value in the future. So you should probably consider buying those or keeping those if you want to. But regardless, I will tell you, if you want to, I would, get rid of it. But I would probably say it doesn't really take too much space. Just go and keep your phone box. And if you need to, you can always get rid of it later on. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.